Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, friends. As you can see, I am on my fifth day, 4 days completed, and on my fourth day, yesterday evening, I did reach above $53,000 in profit. And as I mentioned, I did not do any trades during the day. Um, Yesterday, while I was explaining you my trade for yesterday evening, I was putting yesterday's date. I should have said August 5th to show that particular trade, but let's see. I took two trades that time. The one was prior to going live for a $41 profit, which was this, and then second one which I got in, I had a close to 30-point winner on Nasdaq. I got in at $70.75, and I exited at $87.50. Well, that's 17-point winner. 17 times 2, 34. Okay, yeah, 17-point winner, $340. And today I feel like markets are going to turn red. Markets were very flat during the day trading. There was no concrete direction, so not that many major earning reports. I did play a Roku bullish call spread. Looks like that is not going to work in my favor. I'm still very close to the money, so I will get some money back. I had invested $350 near 160 call price, so I will close that particular trade tomorrow once the market opens to get some money out of it, because it's expiring on Friday, the call spread. So I'm going to put a short here for NQ 2475. It's towards volume area high, and my stop loss is going to be over here. And then we wait. Good evening, folks, here in United States, and good morning if somebody is from Asia. Good night to friends in Europe. Basically, I didn't do any day trading today. If you see, my account value is at $53,077, which is what we left at yesterday. I do think market is going to go red tonight because of the activity that Nasdaq was having during the day, and there were not great earnings. That's why I have put a sell order for NQ, one mini contract NQ at volume level high, and I'm still waiting to see if it gets filled. My stop loss is above this particular bar, or these two particular bars at 1136. That is like 11 points, which is $220 in loss if NQ has to stop me out. This is my Top Step Trader report account for the stage 2 combine, and I have completed 4 days, and today is my 5th day. Need to just wait it out until 10 days and make sure I don't break any of these rules. You can also see how Asian markets are doing. Nikkei is at 40 points, not much. China. Disney did quite a well today due to their streaming service. Hence I played Roku. It did beat earnings, but I don't know why Roku went down after the earnings report. Well, if this thing comes over here near the ETA session mid, I may do a quick scalp for Obviously, if it touches the VWAP, that's when I want to like get in and get out for literally 2 points. That will be a very quick scalp. For friends who joined us a little later, I am having 2 orders sitting on the sidelines. One is I'm trying to go short at 11,125. I don't have any target for that, but my stop loss is at 11,136.25. However, if Nasdaq is coming down, I want to take a quick scalp at 11,002. I will go long and sell it at 11,475. But right now, NQ is at point of control. I'm at that stage of the combine where 2 wrong trades, I mean not 2, but even 1 wrong trade and I will still be below the profit target. I'm not worried about that because I still have 6 more days to go. While we are waiting, folks, can you please subscribe to my channel so that you know when I go live? I may start going live early mornings because I see the volatility is higher during the European markets, and maybe we can see some action. I don't want to trade during market hours because I have a regular full-time job, and obviously I cannot stream live by doing my full-time job. Alright, looks like it wants to go up first. Let's see what happens. Oh man, don't tell me. Okay, let us do what we did the other day and bring the DOM. Okay, my order, I'm going to bring one tick down. Sometimes it doesn't go all the way. Time is 9:22 p.m. and Eastern Coast, United States, and 7 minutes for this bar to get complete. I'm having a 15 minutes chart. almost got filled. Alright, you know what? I just feel like putting an order there. Alright, I did bring my order down. I don't want it to go without taking me. Ideally, my stop should be somewhere here. Should have waited. Yeah, I was at 24.75. I would not have gotten filled. So let's see if it was a good decision that I brought my sell price down. Now we wait. Oh, I would have gotten filled. And looks like a very strong bar. So it takes some courage to sell when market is coming against you. Alright, so what we can do now is, this is the first touch, so it may come and test again the level. Maybe, yeah, I think my stop is just fine at 29.75. 7 points is like $140 loss. So if this bar goes towards, or the price goes towards the point of control, I will bring my stop loss to break even. Right now my target is at ETA session mid at 11:05. I'm going to tighten my too early to tighten my stop. Let's leave it there. I may have gotten filled or may not have, because there was only one contract traded at 24.75. That how the levels are accurate. And look at it, from 11.1 24.75, NQ is like almost 3 points away. You could have easily scalped it for $60. Now that it touched once, we cannot guarantee what will happen next. And it wants to go up. I'm glad I didn't tighten my stop, otherwise I would have stopped out. But now I'm going to do it because I don't want to take chance when it is going to challenge that level the third time. Volume is building up. A lot of selling pressure is coming and buyers are trying to take over the sellers. All right, 9:30. We are 1 minute away from the bottom of the hour. So let's see what the new bar brings. All right, going to bring my stop loss now to 2650. So my maximum loss, if it has to stop me out, is going to be $80. And as I mentioned earlier, when it touches the point of control, I will bring it to break even plus one. I'm going to bring my target down all the way here to 11,094.50. Uh, Hey Brian, thanks for joining. The reason I went short was if you see the volume area high for the previous day's session was around 1124.75, and based on that I decided to go short. Hey Luis, welcome back. How are you doing? Yeah, today I'm not in a rush, so I can stay longer to see where this trade takes us. Oh, cool. Looks like you made some money. Was that in the pro account, Luis? Oh, okay. Even better, you keep 100% of the profit. Got you. Looks like this is going to take me out. Yep, and I'm out. Or not. This is crazy. That's awesome. I have the dream of doing that. But you need to have a lot of money to sell options. That's my long-term goal, Luis, where I make money in futures and then sell options. Be it call, be it put. Wow, I don't believe it. I just got saved by a tick on NQ. How often you see that? You know why I got saved? Because it's nighttime. During the daytime, this would have been kabosh. Alright, so what do I do, folks? It's too early to bring it to break even, but I will tighten my stop over here. No. Oh man, this is crazy. Friends, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me in the long run. As I said, I am going to be here live every evening trading my pro account. So if you subscribe, you know when I'm live. I'm going to get stopped out, I believe. We still have 5 minutes or 6 minutes for this 15 minutes bar to complete. Okay. It's trying to fill in this gap at 17. You know, one trick I do sometimes is I go the reverse way. So I have a buy order right now at 18, which immediately entered a sell order on 21.75. And I will explain you why I did that if I get filled at 18. I'm going to move this to 2250 if my 18 order gets filled. You know what? I'm going back to my original stop. I don't want it to go up, take me out, and then go down. Two minutes, 20 seconds for this 15 minutes bar to get complete. Alright, so you see my order at 18 got filled, right? I'm going to cancel this now, the stop loss for 18. If you see, I had pocketed $86. Now my original stop is still there and my original target is still there. So because it keeps fluctuating between levels, I'm going to go for another sell at 2250, thereby making it a risk-free trade. But it's possible I may never get fill now. So I will keep this until it touches point of control. If it fills me again, well and good. You know what? Maybe I will put it at 21.25 because I see that it has some low volume. Well, it went beyond 18. So we can wait for the next 15-minute bar for it to go up, do a partial test, and then that way basically I'm trying to make 3 extra points on Nasdaq, which is $60. If it works out that way. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Now I'm not very sure of that trade because I don't want it to touch VWAP and go up. So that will also signify that NQMA wants to go up. So if this bar goes here, touches VWAP and then starts coming up, I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to cancel all my trades. It turned out it was not a good idea to cover it at 11,118. Well, I am happy. It's not that I'm making real money. I am already above my profit target and it's my day 5 of step 2. Yeah. Once I get into the pro account, I need to be more careful. So this type of strategy where if you are in profit and you want to make even more money during the fluctuations, it's a good strategy where you put a trade against you and then the stop loss becomes the trade that will again go as if you were in the same trade. And don't forget to cancel the target trade for that second trade you will enter. I do feel NQ is going to go negative, and if we can short this at 21.25, that will be sweet. Okay, it did respect the point of control and it's trying to come back up. That is correct, Brian. Just one position short. Uh, Original. I can bring my order screen. No, not order ticket. Sorry. So basically, I went short. Was little bit impatient at 2250 and then covered it at 18. This thing screws. Did it just get cancelled everything? No, I'm in MNQ, that's why. I'm like, what happened? Instead of putting at 11118, the counter order, I should have used the VWAP and then use the point of control to short it again. That would have been a better idea because VWAP is at 11108. That's $200 away from where I covered my short, which is 11,118. There comes the VWAP test. How about a quick scalp at VWAP? All right, it's a quick scalp. I'm going to bring my stop loss just above the ETA session mid. All right, so it did respect the volume weighted average price at 1108, and that was my second trade for a quick 30 bucks, I would say. I am actually into 50k trading combine, stage 2. I am already above my profit target. This is my dashboard for Top Step Trader. No losing days. Today is my 5th day, and I plan to only trade during evenings for the rest of the days. I get tempted, don't get me wrong, to log in morning, but I need to teach myself some patience, because sometimes when things go in your favor, it feels so easy, and then later on you regret it on why you did what you did. Alright, folks, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, which will help me, and I can let this thing run overnight, but I don't know. I don't have any idea right now what to do. I played my one move, but I was wrong on covering it at 11,118. I should have let it run. I do think NQ is going in red, and that will be a very sweet trade to ride it all the way from session high to it's still 15 points away from here, so that could have been an awesome move for the evening time. If you have any questions, do ask. Otherwise, I am going to end the stream. Yeah, thanks, Luis. I am going to hit this exit at market like 5 times before I end my session. What is your red moving average looking indicator? It's a my moving average is the orange line, and it's just a simple moving average with 14 period. Nothing special. It's night time. I want to keep it simple, not add too many indicators. I do use Fibonacci series and 50 and 61% retracements levels, but that is in the long run. Now all that will come into play when I switch to a pro account where I will be making some real money. But right now, I don't think putting any effort or stress to a combine that already has achieved the profit target. I don't want to try anything stupid. All right. Good night to everybody in United States. Good night, everybody in Europe, Africa, and good morning. Oh, awesome, Luis. Did you take it on NQ? Good luck, Luis. I hope it works out for you.